plants from my home nursery and my flat, which I've planted by my windowsill. And there are jackfruit, avocado, and some lemon. And they're ready to be transplanted. So I brought them to the cabin here at the Foodscape to plant them later today when the sun goes down a bit and it's not so hot. It's about 4:45 and looks like going to be a thunderstorm. I can hear thunder from that direction, and it looks like far away in the distance it's already raining. So we are like what do you call it, putting branches, dried branches, they're about 2 months old, onto the fire to keep it going, and then whatever leaves that we have, we're going to chuck it on top as well. And then once the rain starts falling in illness, we'll have to cabut lari. It's going to be, ooh, can you hear that? It's quite loud thunder from that direction. And it's 5 o'clock, and just like clockwork, it's raining cats and dogs, so we're in the car and we're about to leave now. There's no point trying to do anything. You can hear the rain falling on the roof of the car. It's making a pitter-patter, and wow, there's some lightning. We have to cabut lari now, okay? So back home at 5 o'clock.